Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in this Nissan Key Fob. This fob can either take a 2032 or a 2025 depending upon the features that are available. So you're going to want to open it up and double check before you purchase the battery. But either way, I've put links below to both batteries in the description once you know which one you need. You're also going to need a small flat tip screwdriver. So your first order of business is to slide this down and pull your mechanical key out. Once you have your mechanical key out, you're going to want to take this and insert here, and you want to be delicate because the circuit board is right on the other side. So you can kind of see I've pried this up just a little bit. Now you have access to your battery. Go ahead and pop that out here. This specific fob takes a 2032, and you can check right here. And you want to make sure that the positive side goes down, like so. Give it a good squeeze back together. Replace your key and you're all set. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.